enter second number. Let me put second number is equal to 9. So what will be my return statement? So return statement should be maximum number equal to which one? 10. 10 is the maximum number, right? So it should return maximum number is equal to 10. Let me enter. So you can see. So today we will create a Java program where system will ask to the user to enter two different number, and finally using a conditional operator we will find out what is the maximum number and we will display the maximum number. So we already learned what is conditional operator. So here we have to use this type of expressions, right? So if expressions 1 is true, then it will return this one, else this one, right? So using this concept and using the help of buffer reader, we will take two different input and find out what is the maximum number. So let's go to the Eclipse. Now open your Eclipse IDE. This is already open for me, and I will use the same package, and under it I am going to create our maximum number find out class. So let me right click here, then new, then click on this class option and type your name of the class. Let's say maximum number is the class name, and then check public static void main, then finish. So you can see my maximum number class is created under com.demo.io package. Now let me remove this unwanted comment. Control S save, and after save let me double click here to get a wider view. Now what is our aim? So our aim is to create a program where we will give two statements so that user can enter two different number, and using conditional operator we will find out the maximum number between these two and we will display the maximum number. Okay. So as per this requirement, first create two statements. First says let's say enter first number, and the second statement says enter second number. Now where we have to collect these two number entered by user, so we have to create some variable, right? So let make it a integer variable. So first one, let's say integer num1, which represent number 1, and then num2, that is basically number 2. So under number 1 and number 2 we have to collect first number and second number. Okay, now we have to collect this number which will be entered by user with the help of buffer reader. And we already learned in our last class, we need to first create two steps to take the help from buffer reader class, right? So let enter these two steps first. So what is our first step? First step, we have to create a input stream reader instance, right? So input stream reader ir is equal to new input stream reader, and from where we have to collect that one, system.in. Now here I am getting some compilations error because I have to import the exact package. What is that? Java.io package, right? So if you click in this icon, you will get the suggestions import input stream reader. So just double click here, so it will automatically import the java.io package, and the class name is input stream reader. Now make Ctrl S to save this file. So let's do the next step. Next step is create an instance of buffer reader class, and I have created this one, buffer reader br is equal to new buffer reader, and under this buffer reader I have to take the help of IR. What is this IR? IR is nothing but instance of input stream reader. Now why I am getting a compilation error? Because I have to import the exact package. So click here, so you can see the suggestions import buffer reader. So double click here, so you will get the import statement automatically here, java.io.buffer reader. Now again save the file using Ctrl S. Now my two step is ready and my statement is also ready. Now we have to collect the value entered by user under these two variable num1 and num2. So let first capture the value under num1, which is basically our first number. So number or num1 then equal to, and what will be the step? So basically we have to collect this value using br dot read line that we already know, and we also know that this read line will store or take or read the value in a string format, but num1 is a integer type, right? So we have to parse this string value into integer, and the process is we already learned integer where I always be in capital, then dot, then parse int, just double click here, and under this bracket we have to use br dot read line, right? So just copy paste br dot read line under this parse int method and then terminate this line with semicolon. Now you can see a compile error is coming here. If I hover here, so you can see unhandled exceptions type IO exceptions. IO is for input output. So for the time being, no need to worry about what is exceptions, what is throw, and what is IO exceptions. Just go to this and click here and take these suggestions and double click add throw declarations. It will automatically add the exceptions required for this automatically in this line. Okay, public static void, in this line you can see the throw exceptions automatically added here. For the time being, just ignore what is number format exceptions or what is IO exceptions. Now our second number we have to collect under these variables. So make this variable here number2 or num2 is equal to, again we have to parse because we will collect this br dot read line in a string format, right? So again just copy paste this line. It's mean whatever value collected under this br dot read line, that is a string format, and we are going to parse that string format into a integer format. Now my two number, first number and second number, collected under num1 and num2 variable, right? Now here we have to create a conditional operation so that we can only display the maximum number between these two. Okay, so to display this type of statement, we have to create first a statement system.out.println, then double quote, under that type maximum number, then here add a plus sign, then your expressions will be entered here. Okay, so what will be our expressions? Our expressions, if num1 is greater than num2, then definitely number 1 is our maximum number, right? Else number 2 will be our maximum number. Now let me repeat this conditional statement again. If number 1 greater than number 2, then it will return number 1 as a print statement maximum number. And if number 1 is not greater than number 2, then number 2 will be print as a maximum number. Now press Ctrl S to save this file and then double click here to get this type of console view. Okay, now just click on this run button. So our first statement is enter first number, so that is coming here. So let me put my first number as 10. Okay, then enter, and it will give me the second statement, enter second number, enter second number. Let me put second number is equal to 9. So what will be my return statement? So return statement should be maximum number equal to which one? 10. 10 is the maximum number, right? So it should return maximum number is equal to 10. Let me enter. So you can see maximum number is coming as 10. Now let do another input statement with reverse order. So let run it again. Now first number, let's say it's a 77, and second number, let's say bigger than this, 88. So definitely our return statement or the final statement maximum number is equal to 88. It should be 88, right? So let enter again. So you can see the answer is coming maximum number is equal to 88. So this is the way you can take input from user and finally create your business logic and then execute the same in this way. So this is a simple example to take two different number and find out the maximum number between them. Now today your assignment is take two number from user and print the minimum number between these two.
I believe this video has helped you to understand about the topic. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, click on the bell notifications and select all so that you don't miss any video from this channel.